When it comes to sneakers, I'm looking for the same things I look for in a good friend. Are they made of good quality stuff? Will they support me all through the day? And the most important, are they going to complement my outfits?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
All right, hey there, fashion friends and my fellow sneakerheads, my fellow sneaker lovers. Yeah, today we are looking at the Nike Air Max Dia versus the Nike Air Max Verona. Yeah.
Y'all not expecting this one, I promise. But look though, enough of the talking, man.
So if you have not seen my previous 2 review videos on these 2 pairs of sneakers, I will link them up here and I will link them down below. Definitely check them out because in those videos I give in-depth reviews on the fit, fabric, and function of each of the sneakers. Today's video is more just to answer the question I've been getting a lot on both videos of which one is better, which one do I prefer, which one's more comfortable, all that jazz. So I thought, yeah, this would be a good video to make to help answer that question for a lot of people. All right, so without further ado, let's just get straight into it, shall we? All right, okay, so we're gonna do my normal fit, fabric, and function and compare the 2 side by side. Okay, so we are starting off with fit. Both of these are going to be in a size 7, and I would say both are true to size. The only difference I would say is that the Nike Air Max Dia, it does have a much more narrow toe, but because the fabric's so thin and flexible, it doesn't really affect you comfort-wise, but there is that. I don't really wear these with super thick socks. Whereas with the Verona, it does have a more roomier toe, and I could wear thicker socks with these sneakers. Verona is definitely going to be a better choice for somebody that has a wider foot. However, saying that, if you have a wider foot and you want the Dia, maybe just go a half size up. As for the insole, the comfort of the insole when your foot is actually in the shoe, I would say that they're both very comfortable, but they definitely have different comfort fits, if that makes sense. The Dia has a sort of cradling effect. If you look at the bottom of the sole, it has the kind of outer tread, the air pocket in the middle, so you definitely feel that when your foot is in there, your foot kind of sinks down, is cradled like a little baby, and it's super comfortable in that regard. Whereas with the Verona, the sole you can see on the bottom, there's a lot more going on. So the best way for me to describe the comfort fit, I feel like it relieves those pressure points of the foot, hits and supports in all the right places. So for me, having a sort of sensitive foot, I get plantar fasciitis. Is that the right? Plantar fasciitis? Plantar fasciitis a lot. For me, that's actually super important. But what I will say is both of them are great for all day wear. I would say that these would be great for nurses, teachers, just people that are standing on their feet all day long. Okay, so fabric. Whew. I've talked about the specific technicalities of the fabric in both of the review videos, so if you're interested in hearing the in-depth technicalities, you can refer to those videos for it. But comparing the 2, now wearing them both for a while, I'd say what I love about the Nike Air Max Dia is that I love the fabric in the fact that it kind of moisture wicking and very like dirt resistant. They're very easy to wipe off. The Verona fabric or material, I would say, is also very durable, very easy to clean, but I would say I actually prefer the fact that the Dia isn't as much leather, doesn't have as much leather as the Verona. As for the seasonality of them both, I'd say with the Dia, you definitely have a thinner fabric with these. I do think they had a winter version last year and they might have a winter version again this year, but the ones that I specifically reviewed, they have the fabric is definitely a little bit thinner. And like I said, with that size, I'm not really able to wear them with thicker socks. So for that reason, I'm not sure if they'd be the best for like a colder winter weather situation. However, with the Nike Verona, I do feel like you could wear these each season because the materials are a lot thicker and there's more room within the shoe. So if you wanted to wear thicker socks, so you could wear these throughout the winter, I feel like. Okay, so the last one, function.
See it all, watch and learn. Study the tape, the game over time. Kicking the door and we uninvited. Knowing my name and they act like.
I would say for both of these, that is the whole reason why I purchased them, is for their function. What pulled me in with the Dia is the silhouette, is that I loved that it was futuristic, but also at the same time super sleek, contemporary, and timeless. With the Verona, I am obsessed with the chunky silhouette, and as well as that, the little futuristic details of kind of the kick out sole at the back. And I do feel like these can be classic, these can be timeless, but I'm not sure if they'll be as timeless as the Dia because there is so many other little trendier details mixed in there. The chunky sort of sneaker goes out of style. These might fizzle out a little bit, but saying that, I think most people when it comes to sneakers aren't buying them necessarily for trend. I think people buy sneakers because they love them, and I think sneakers all around are a pretty timeless piece. So with that, you know, I don't know, that's kind of left up to your own comfort level of trendiness, of I guess it's up to your own comfort level of how much you care about trends when it comes to a sneaker. Styling wise, as you could style these sneakers with, I feel like both of them are super versatile. You could wear them with quite a bit, but I definitely would say that the Dia is best worn with skinnies or joggers or leggings because it does have a more slim, sleeker silhouette. It looks a lot better with those styles. Whereas then with the Verona, because of the chunkier silhouette, the wider silhouette, you could get away with wearing these with wide leg jeans, the kick flares, or maybe it's a pair of wide leg cropped sweatpants. Yes. Okay, so there we go. That is the Air Max Dia versus the Air Max Verona. Didn't say I was gonna say which one is the best because I don't know if you can really say one or the other is the best, because I feel like they both provide you know, different things. More what I was creating this video for is to give you sort of the options of both shoes. So for you to better know kind of what you're getting into for each shoe and basically match that to your preferences and what would be best for you. Because what's best for me might not be best for you, but that is why I wanted to do the comparison so that you could better decide what's better for yourself. Yeah, I think that made sense. Okay. I hope that this video was helpful, especially to those that are trying to figure out which Air Max they want to go with. I know there's a lot of options of Air Max sneakers out there, but yeah, if you do have any further questions in regards to either of these sneakers or any other sneakers, definitely comment below and I will be happy to answer those questions for you. If you did find today's episode helpful, you know what to do next. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. If you're already subscribed, make sure to click the bell so that you're notified when I post new episodes like this one today. Wherever you are, I hope that you are staying safe, staying healthy, and supporting each other and loving each other as fellow humans. All right, you guys, we will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.
Y'all not expecting this one, I promise. But look though.